Welcome to Shopware 6 installation tutorial. In this video, we learn how to connect Shopware 6 database from Vagrant using Windows. First, download and install SQLyog. Now create a new connection and rename it. Now write the localhost in the text field. Fill the given username and password. Now copy the IP address. And paste it. Now copy and paste the given username and password. Click on Test Connection. Now click on Connect to confirm. Shopware 6 database has been connected successfully. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.